Are you ready to make an impact? To take on new challenges and apply different skills every day? At allnex, we're looking for doers and thinkers to problem solve and get the job done in manufacturing. You will join a tight-knit team that communicates openly with a strong team spirit. You will apply a safety-first mentality, ensuring safe and clean operations throughout the production process. You will help to create products and processes working with modern systems to drive operational efficiency. At allnex, you will make an impact. Become a part of an international company with manufacturing sites across the globe. Visit our career page for available opportunities.